Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do a print head nozzle check, which is kind of like a test page, on an Epson XP-4205. Now this is nice and simple. We're done for the printer itself, using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the machine. Now, first of all, we need to be on the home page of the printer. So if your screen doesn't already look like this, just press the home button up here to be taken here. Now, we're going to use the right hand arrow to take ourselves along. So once, twice, 3 times, 4 times until we get to maintenance. And with maintenance selected, we press OK. And the print head nozzle check is the very first option. So we press OK. And OK again to print. Now this will take the printer just a minute. And eventually you'll be presented with a page that looks like this. And what we've got here is a breakdown of the black, cyan, magenta and yellow ink that your printer uses in this gate-like pattern. Now what this represents is both your printer's ability to print the colours at all and also the fine detail in these lines going down on a slight slope as well. Now what you're looking for is any breaks or missing colours that would indicate an issue with the ink flowing through your printer's print head. But mine's looking absolutely perfect, but you might see gaps and lines if some extra work is needed. If so, I'd recommend doing some cleaning cycles from the printer, which thankfully the machine kind of steers you towards here. As you can see, if you've got any breaks as shown on the screen, you move it along, press X, got some more information, but then it kind of funnels you straight towards doing cleaning and power cleaning. Now cleaning is to be used for more minor issues where you've got a few little breaks. If you've got something severe, you might want to lean into power cleaning. However, power cleaning uses up more ink and it's more intensive on the printer itself, so I'd only recommend doing that if it's entirely necessary. And from here, you can carry on doing cleaning cycles and test pages till you're perfectly happy with the quality of your print. Everything's actually fine for me, so I'm going to exit out of there. But hopefully that's given you what you're looking for. If it has, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.